Guys, I'm on my break with my son. Guys, I'm on my break. I want to get something from here. Say yeah. Say yeah. You see that? You like that one? Yeah, we gotta go to Chuck E. Cheese for you. You can have fun, okay? Forgive his jacket. I don't know, guys. He was sleeping. Hey, look. Color. You want a color? You want color? Color. You want color? He likes the color now. Yes, it's a dog. Guys, I honestly just came here to pass the time for my break. It's not because I need something. Let's check the makeup. It's 30% off. Why not? They don't have my lipstick, guys. They just don't have it. Maybe I do need some stuff for my nails because I need them done, but they look bad. Okay. Guys, I decided to stop drinking coffee because my teeth has been hurting so bad because I've been drinking like cold coffee. So I decided I'm gonna stop drinking it, but I don't know how long it's gonna last. We'll see if I'm really done with coffee or not. I don't know. I love coffee though, but I'm not gonna get coffee today. You wanna get some snacks? You want snacks, Rain? In this aisle, I kind of like these. These are probably good too. But me and Rain are gonna get our brownies that I got last time. They were good. Yeah. He wants the brownies. All right, let's go. Last time I think I got the dark chocolate ones, which are these. They were okay. They didn't really have much taste, I'll be honest with you. And he's trying to open it. Really, Rain? We're gonna get these because the day I got them was the day they were gone. So we're gonna get these. And they got classic sea salt organic something. Let's see what these are. They look like some type of crackers. They have a lot of nice stuff here. Like, I can tell their food is like high quality. I actually like these. They're really good. You like those? You like those? You want some? You want chips? You want chips? Yes? He said yeah. Alright. I like these, so let's see. Sea salt cracker peppers. I actually like these. Garlic parmesan. Good. Alright, let's get these. Don't come to the store when you're hungry, guys. I'm starving of starvation. Are you hungry? You want to eat?
No.
Yes? You want to eat, Rain? We got a lot of stuff here. Yes, baby. Guys, look at this. Rain, are you opening it? Are you serious? He wants this ball. Say ball. Say ball. You want a ball?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Your dad's gonna say. Let's see if they have a smaller ball. Then we get you a small one, okay? You want a ball? You want a ball? You want a ball? Yes? Alright, let's go find you a small ball, okay? We're in the toy aisle. He wants a ball, but he's finding other stuff that he wants. Because the ball that he wants is like $4. But
Look at the Not making no sense. Not bad.
The more I love you, God, the more you're loving me. There's no place